good? I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn a picture into a cartoon on Canva. There are two platforms, or better yet, two apps that I've found that would be the best option. The first thing you'll need to do, once on Canva, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page, and from here you could type in cartoon. So let's do that real quick. Then you'll tap on enter. After you have tapped on enter, these are some apps that will turn pictures into cartoon. The two best options that I've come to realize is Cartoonify. And Cartoonify is the one that created page 2, which was this option. So all you'll need to do is tap on choose file. Then from there, for example, let's say I were to choose this image, I would tap on open. And after you have done that, you'll give it a few seconds while the image is being transformed into a cartoon. Once it has been transformed into a cartoon, it will be added to your timeline. So just give it a few seconds, as you can see right here. I will also be showing you the second app that you can use. So the app that created this image. So all we need to do now, you can see the image right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. So I'm going to simply copy it. So let me do that real quick. And I'm going to paste it right here. So you can see how it looks. So this is it. So remember the original image of the dog. And this is how it looks now when it is transformed into a cartoon image. And this was the original image. Let me find it real quick. So this was the original image and this is the cartoon image. So you can see how it looks right there. Now, if you would like to use the first option, which was this one, all you need to do is tap on apps once more. And then from there, you're going to type in anime. So you can do that real quick. Then you'll tap on enter. After you have done that, the option that I had used before was this one right here, which is called Animify. After you have tapped on Animify, you'll tap on choose file, and from there you'll upload the image and it will transform it into an anime. So if I were to select a new page, then tap on choose file, and I'm going to be choosing the same image of the small dog, then tap on open. You'll give it a few seconds and it will transform it into an anime image. Once it has transformed it into an anime image, it will automatically be added to your timeline, and that's it. So you can see how it looks right there. So you can compare them, and those are the two best options that I've found thus far on Canva in transforming an image to a cartoon. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.